All right, CSS battle time, and oh boy, it looks so nice. It looks so simple, but you know these simple ones, it's like it's definitely a goal to make it as concise as possible. Okay, I think what we can do is a nice radial gradient. I think we only need the HTML element. Let's just do this one quickly. Radial gradient, right? And 1Q. We're actually going to use the at. It's either at bottom, right, which is 6 characters, or 50%, 100%, which is 7 characters. So let's use the keyword for at bottom. That determines where the center point of the gradient is for our image, and then we'll position it afterwards. Although, so my thought, this was my original plan, was to create the element with the radial gradient, you know, put it at the bottom, so that we get the half circle and just shift it up, and then make a box shadow or something for the drop. But if I have to use a box shadow anyways, now it saves me using margin to position things. No, I have to use margin. I have to use margin if I'm using a box shadow. So the at bottom keyword, is it needed? Yes, it's needed. It's needed, but I won't need to position it because I will position it with margin. So we are going to do this beige, 50 pixels thereabouts. We are going to go to this color, right? Oh, definitely bigger than 50 pixels, which is going to get a 0 and then be like 100 pixels. And then we can go to this color. Now, if I do it that way, since I'm doing the one box shadow, see, you could do it where you just do 2 color stops, right? And then do a big box shadow. Oh no, then I'd need a radial gradient. So I do need to do the 3rd color stop anyways. And we're going to position it. We're going to be 100 pixels. Nope, that's the wrong way. 0, 100 pixels. All right. 200. We're probably going to, I might try to, hopefully I can use a percentage here. 50%. 80. No, percentages don't work. 50 VH. 70. Something like that. I wonder, I'm just trying to shorten it right. Oh, no, wrong way. 65. 64. Ooh, yeah, that's not going to work. I think it's like 190 pixels. We'll just operate on that. Yeah. All right, let's work our bottom color stop up to the right value, which is apparently 70. And then this one, 150. Well, there you go. That is that. So we have a radial gradient. Now we need to, oh, I wasn't going to position it this way. I was going to margin it. New plan. Sorry. Let's go box shadow. 0 and then like 50 pixels down, and it's going to be this color, right? But now if we margin it, we're going to go 50. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's the downside of margin. I could put a no repeat on this, but that's a lot of characters. What if we did space? There we go. But then, because of our margin, okay, so maybe, all right, so with these issues that I'm running into, what if we did fixed? I don't know if that changes anything. There we go. But that means it also doesn't move. Maybe I have to do 190. Okay, I mean that kind of works, but oh, uh, 50, 0, oh. There you go. So I think you see what we're trying to do here, 110, and then this would be 70. Okay. I mean, I guess that's actually not that bad. I was expecting to position things with margin as opposed to the background position. You know, have it at the bottom and just bring the bottom up and then box shadow below that. But because of the way the margin was causing the repeat, I had to use the keyword, which fixed gave me the full screen. If I did spaced or space, it now it's all gone because I have probably because the background position. So let's just leave it alone. Space was just giving me the confines of it, and it wasn't actually continuing the radial gradient beyond it, but fixed is. I don't actually know how those work. I truly don't. All right, let's move these all up because instead of just getting rid of the semicolon, oh, I can't get rid of the parentheses, so that's a wash. All right, let's see if we can do anything with this. This will be 50 VH, 70 pixels. I don't know what that's gonna be. Let's just try like 75Q, 74. Let's test it. Oh, I haven't even submitted yet. I don't even know if this works. Hey, happy day. All of it works. Okay, so let's do another 70, 74Q. See if it accepts it there as well. And I think I'll just call it. I'm going to call it. I think there's a better way, but I think I could spend a long time chasing it and just end up disappointed. Learn from my mistakes maybe, and then you can find it. But we'll keep this one short. All right, that was fun. I hope you're having a good night, had a good weekend, and I'll catch you later.